Okay, welcome to another day of Big Pets Under the Hood. And this is part number 3 of my swap from taking this Kohler 20 Courage bucket engine out of a Husqvarna that I had bought and putting it on this Craftsman YT3000. You can see I was able to incorporate the fuel pump and all that, everything on it. Got the deck, all that stuff on it, just changed the oil in it. I put a new wiring harness, on it, new engine wiring harness on it, and all that there. This right here, all that there, the generator for the charge, and all that stuff. I got all that there, mufflers on it. Just put everything on it to get it going. So now that I've got it going and everything, just now that I got it going and everything, so it came out really good, and everything on it, everything works. I'm going to replace the bulbs in it more than likely. Bulbs are probably out on it. Yeah, maybe the bulbs out on it. Huh? Nothing here, that food wasn't no good. I'm going to buy something. But as you can see, it's running, and it's running fine. Another great job. It's running fine. What a great job. It's ready. Kohler engine swap, new more. You can see it's running just fine. So there we are. Everything is hooked up on it. There we are. New battery, everything. All right.